In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Microsoft Translator into Microsoft Teams so you can enable real-time translation during your meetings. Whether you're working with international teams, joining sessions in different languages, or you simply want clearer communication for everyone, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Microsoft Teams app and go to any meeting or start a new test meeting. Once you're there, look for the option labeled the three-dot menu at the top of your meeting window. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. This is where all the language and caption tools are hiding. Next, click on More, then choose Language and Speech. You'll see several options that help you turn on live captions and adjust translation settings. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be very user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. Once you select Turn on Live Captions, Teams will immediately begin showing captions in your spoken language. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your microphone is working properly, confirm you're using the latest version of Teams, and check that your organization hasn't disabled live captions or translation features. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues, especially if you're preparing for an important multilingual meeting. Once you've completed these steps, click the small caption settings icon that appears near the captions. After that, you should be able to change your caption language to the language you want, for example, Spanish, French, Chinese, or many others. It's also a good idea to test the feature with a colleague. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and helps everyone feel confident before the real meeting begins. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to integrate Microsoft Translator into Microsoft Teams and use real-time translated captions easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?